All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. You know, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, these 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. There's some big announcements that are just happening. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account. I think you're going to be pretty happy with all these updates that are going on. The coin is down right a little bit right this second. Could be a good ding, ding, ding discount buy. Not quite at the 12 or 15% that I like, but we will go over there. Also, we're going to go over gas prices slightly a little bit. Doesn't seem like they're getting any better. California and Texas seem to be the most expensive places for gas prices. At the end, we're going to go to one of those 6-in-1 miners, roast beef. Just going to cover it for a minute. This one's been jumping off the chart. I mean, there's over 10,000. Well, I'll save that to the end. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency or jump into one of these crypto projects. All right, let's send over to Shiba Inu. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is at number 15. Dogecoin is at number 14. Well, Shiba's down 8% in the last 7 days, down about 2.5% today. But right here on the website, take a notice, there's a little buy here. There's a little buy here, and there's a little buy here. So even CoinMarketCap kind of tells you, they're saying Avalanche. Avalanche was $111 a month or two ago, month and a half ago. It's at 71. They got Terra Luna's a buy. They say Solana's a buy. BNB's a buy. Well, BNB's under $400. And even Ethereum's a buy. And Bitcoin. But anyways, just wanted to show you that. Let's head over to Shiba. All right, over here, there's 4 zeros and a 2369. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. Down 2.61%. Coming over here to the chart. Over here, it's got a nice little drop. You know, it's kind of been going along real nice here. Then all of a sudden, just swoom, it just drops pretty nice here. So that's in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look at the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, it was higher in 2 spots here, and it's a little bit lower. That Robinhood listing, it did pump it for a little bit. But again, let's not forget, there's 22.5 million people on the platform of Robinhood that can buy SHIB right now, Shiba Inu, at any given time. Over here at the Twitter account, Shiba Inu token. Welcome to the official Twitter account for Shiba Inu ecosystem. Talks about right here. Here's some good stuff. The wait is finally over. We're excited to announce that the first early access to bid event is now live. Important, in order to participate in this early access event, you must have leash or SHIB OSHI locked in utilization locking systems. Let's take a look at this right here. Key Metaverse bid event is live. Land is available. You can buy some land today. All right, so that's pretty good. And then right here, it says this is 17 hours ago. The public sale of land for SHIB, the Metaverse, continues on SHIB.io. Official project on OpenSeas. This is kind of a neat one here. Yeah, the dog's just sitting there getting ready to build the property and stuff like that. Gotta admit, the animation is pretty neat there. All right, so you can buy actually in the Metaverse. Take a look right here. I'm on OpenSeas, SHIB, the Metaverse, SHIB Yard. There's 17.9K items. There's 4.7K owners. The floor price is 0.23. The volume is 79.6. What does it say? The Metaverse of the history of community, the community displays in a layer of beautiful visual and exclusive collections of virtual land. This showcase is innovated and with Unity, a place of truly call home. So this is kind of where you're actually picking what you want to do. So kind of interesting here. You got a bid right here. You can bid on this. So you got these different parcels here on OpenSeas that you can do. Look at that person's got that one right there. So if you're looking to buy land, not in the real world, but in the Metaverse, you can come over to OpenSeas right here today. It's live. I mean, it's kind of big, everybody. Some people like this. Some people think this is risky. Do your own homework. All my information, of course, is for educational purposes only. Just wanted to bring you over here to OpenSeas to show you that you can actually get some land here in the Metaverse. Another great thing here, we're excited to announce the launch of the SHIB Burn portal. burn SHIB to generate passive income. So, hey, look at that, passive income. It kind of comes up everywhere we talk. Over at the website, Shiba Inu token, a decentralized meme token that evolves into a vibrant ecosystem. SHIB leash bone, Shiba swap, innovative reward system, the Shiba incubator, and more 585K community members and growing fast. So a lot of stuff going over here with Shiba Inu. You got the SHIB, you got the leash, you got the bone. You can buy it all. You do need some of this in order to basically get that land. How to buy. You know, SHIB and leash are purchased and sold through Shiba Swap. Now again, Robinhood has Shiba Inu now too, to think about that. But I don't think you can't take it off the platform. So if you're looking to actually get it on the metaverse, you should probably buy it here. Buy the SHIB, buy the leash, and buy the bone. Quick guide. Connect your MetaMask, send your ETH, connect your wallet to SHIB Swap, swap your ETH for SHIB, leash, and bone. So a lot of good stuff going on right here. All right, everybody, we're going to come back and do a price prediction in a little bit. What about the gas prices? Are they getting any better? Are they getting any worse? I know California and also Texas, the prices there are outrageous right this second, and I don't think it's getting any better. Right over here is our AAA gas prices chart. We can hover over California, 568. Texas is 370. Not too bad, I guess. Coming down here, looking at all the charts. Nevada is over $5 now. Wow, Nevada went over $5. So you got Nevada's over $5. We got California's over $5. Hawaii's over $5. Right here is California's over $5. Nice thing I like about this website, you can kind of check your regular gas, your mid-grade gas, premium, and diesel. So what are we all to do with the gas prices being so high? I'm going to give out two thoughts before I move over to roast beef. My two thoughts are, when you're going to work, you need to do a carpool. Grab one friend and you drive for 2 weeks and your friend drive for 2 weeks. That will save you 50% of your gas, which is fantastic. Probably the best strategy is to have 3 people in your car. You and 3 people equals 4. Each one of you drive 1 week of the month. You drive the first week, Sally drives the second week, Bob drives the third week, and Harry drives the fourth week. What that would mean is you'd have 25% of the gas that you have spent, 75% you would save. Now you are picking up more time by picking everybody up, but with gas being so high, I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. That's a strategy. I'm going to jump over to a crypto project, a 6-in-1 real quick. Roast beef has been jumping off the charts. We're going to share this a little bit with everybody. All right, so we're over here at roast beef. This is a 6-in-1 miner. There's over 10,000 BNB into this. So even if it was, let's just do the numbers for you so you can see. There's 10,000 BNB. That's crazy. So 10,134 BNB. We know it's $3.99. I'm just going to times it by $400. So how much money's in this contract? Yep, that looks like $4 million. So there's $4 million in this contract. This is one of the ones that are paying a little bit more. The BNB rewards are up to 10% daily. Get a 13% referral for referring people to this. It is a 6-in-1 miner. So here's the thing. I put 0.4 of a BNB in here. All right. So 0.4, $400. I think it's 160 times 0.4. I put $160 into this. Again, do whatever you're comfortable doing. Take a notice right here in my rewards. There's a 1.11 BNB. How much is that? So let's take a look. Let's take the 400 times it by 0.1187. $47. I've already, from doing this, I've already made my $160 back. I think I got like $220 back. So I'm already profitable. So this is, again, something I'm doing to hedge against inflation, something I'm doing to hedge against the gas prices, something I'm doing to hedge against the grocery bill being outrageously high. So I'm going to go ahead and claim this and show you how to do this. I've already got my money back. I put my 160 in. I've got my money back. All my information's for educational purposes only. But let's take a look here. Eat the beef. It's Sunday. We actually do this every Sunday. We're going to compound it. And now this $45 is going to go back into my wallet. Watch down there. Watch right here. This 11 point boom, transaction confirmed, and it's gone. That $45 is back in my wallet. The key thing about that is this is one of the things that Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, one of the things that I'm doing. I got the Drip Network that I like. I got my Diamond Teams V2. You know, I got a couple different projects I'm doing. Again, this channel talks about coins. It also talks about cryptocurrency projects. But right there on a Sunday, I just brought $45 back into, even if there's, I mean, obviously there's fees and everything. Let's just even take 10% off, 45, take off $5, $40 in profit today. Thank you, the roast beef. So I wanted to share that with everybody. Let's head back over to Shiba Inu. All right, back over at the website. They got the Rescue Me, things that are going on with animals, the community. Become at the bottom of the actual website. You can look at their Twitter account, their Discord, their Instagram, all kinds of good stuff. Let's head back over to CoinMarketCap. What's my price prediction on this? Well, I think it's gonna bounce back up, but it's on a downtrend right this second. So I'm gonna go bearish. I think it's gonna go down a little bit more. There's 4 zeros and a 23.75. I'm gonna go 4 zeros and a 21.75. All my information is for educational purposes only. Keep an eye on this. Again, I think this coin is going to jump real good. We got the metaverse. We got the listing on Robinhood. There's a lot of good things going on with Shiba Inu. So definitely keep an eye on it. I think it's going to take a little bit of time for all the 22.5 million people on the Robinhood platform to start buying the Shiba Inu, buying the Solana. But the key thing is Robinhood is gigantic. So a lot of good things going on. And now you can buy property. In the metaverse for SHIB. This is fantastic, everybody. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click over here to see my most recent video, which was the Grinch Bucks. You're definitely going to like that. And I'm going to go over here and link BUSD Crop Farmers, another cryptocurrency project. Hey, everybody, do your own homework. All information is for educational purposes only. It is Sunday. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you a little bit later.